Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sahana Kulkarni. Today I'm vlogging, and it's the day before the festive. So this is the festive vlog actually, and this is the day before. Tomorrow is Ganesh Chaturthi, and this is 21st of August, and this is the Friday. Helicopter, like, it happens for me whenever I start vlog or anything. Okay, let's get into the video. So I'm gonna make lunch now. It's 12:30 already, and I'm gonna make like a different type of rice. It has corn, so many vegetables, the cabbage, the capsicum, carrot, everything, and also beans. And it's my favorite kind of like rice, and it's like yummy. I just created it for myself, and I mean, it's like a fried rice actually, but it's like different from others. The ingredients are same, but taste will be like different because of corn. I love corn actually. And tomorrow is Ganesh Chaturthi, and idol, the eco-friendly idol is really like good for us, and it's really like you should not. Uh, I'm just, I don't like plaster of Paris thing. Like the idol, idol is idol, but eco-friendly than mud one, it will be like so spiritual, and I feel like very happy. And in this this is actually like this festival is like we are united and we are Indians, and this is like very happy like festival. And this is especially from Maharashtra, and in the Maharashtra I know so many people like worship the like Ganesha and keep the idols in their areas, but this time we can't. So, and the idol which is we didn't buy from any outside, and we are not getting from outside also. In every year we do like make at home. My dad will make at home. I'm so happy, and the Ganesha idol is made at home, and the mud, from the mud, and I'm so happy. And I'll show you. I'll take with me how we like this. I'll take you guys with me, whatever we like set up the like every decoration, everything. It is like a grand festival for me than or others, and also Diwali also. And this is like main for us, and I like getting ready, and waiting for like complete the like we do puja also, and I'm so happy in this. But it's really mixed feeling in this situation. I don't know how I'm feeling, but I'm feeling like happy first of all, and other things I don't know, but I'll take you with me. And other before that we'll make lunch and have it. And also we have chapatis, also every, and I'll show you the rice. It's really like I'm so excited for that. So it's really, I'm talking this. I'm gonna stop talking and show you the lunch and make it. We'll have it. Done with the rice. I just prepared it, and I have to make chapatis, or my mom will make it. So I just tasted it. It is amazing. It's like heaven. It's like yummy. Whenever I just had a bad mood or anything, when you gave me food, tasty food, I'll be like pumped up and happy, because food makes me happy, and everyone I think. So I'll meet you while having my lunch. So yeah. So guys, done with the lunch, and now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like um, shoot another video. It, and also have to like take care of my skin. I have to apply the face mask and all. So I'll do it now, and tomorrow again I'll make a little bit of like homemade skincare. I'll show you that. And homemade face pack also, and I'll show you. And I'm gonna apply the hair mask for my hair also. So I'm gonna take care of my hair also, like it's like frizzy. So yeah, I'll meet you after the shoot. So guys, done with the shoot. I was shooting for skincare. This I don't know, you have can see what. So this is the like situation here. So I'm sitting in front of my ring light. So I'm feeling so refreshed. So guys, that is the decorating stuff. So I have you have seen in the you have seen it, and the mandir type of thing there. Like all the decorating stuff will be attached. That the arch thing, everything that is made at home. It's a craft. Me and my dad sat and made it. It is previous years, but I don't know, in that two arch I'm gonna like attach one arch or something. I'm still planning. We'll see what we'll do, and we need to decorate the mandir type of thing. Everything the mandir had made, like my dad made it. As I said you, he is multi-talented. So I'm not gonna show you the Ganesh Ji Murti, but I'll show you tomorrow. Whenever like it has some ritual that we have to take outside and bring it in. If you heard any voice outside, I'm sorry, because I don't know what was that. So yeah, that's it. I'll meet you after that. Bye. I mean, afterwards, I have to give my mom a facial session. She need a good skincare one. Um, Backside, it's my I'm sorry. Okay, it's a napkin or wipe or something. Okay, I'll meet you when I do my mom's facial session. Oh my God, what happened to me? Okay, fine. I'll meet you after that. Bye. I had my dinner actually, and it's too late. It's 10. It's going to be 10 o'clock, so it's late. I'm an early bird for the bed, so my sleeping time is 9:30 or 9 p.m. So now I'm gonna oil my hair first. Then I'm gonna go to bed, and I'll meet you in the morning. Good night. Bye. Good morning, everyone. This is next day. So yeah, I just got up at 7 a.m. and I was having some work. I have done that, all the preparation, and now I'm having my detox water, exercise done. That's it. And now I'm gonna have detox water, and next I'm gonna apply the hair mask. I'll meet you after applying the hair mask. I was done with the breakfast. It was yummy. It was poha, and I had tea also. And yeah, if you hear some disturbance, it is a preparation, and my mom dad is like interrupting. So okay, now I'm gonna apply the hair mask. Yeah. Just applied the hair mask. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna wear today, and I have to wait for 30 minutes. So if I have any work, I'm gonna do it, or I'm gonna read the book. I have to continue reading the book. It is really like very less pages and more pages are left out. I'm being so lazy. uh, yeah, okay, I'll meet you and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna wear. So guys, this is the outfit. This is the top, I mean this is the kurti, and this is the palazzo pants. Back with the shower, and this is my kurti, and I'm gonna do a minimal makeup, and I'm gonna show you how, the jewelry earring which I'm gonna pair it. I didn't decide it, and I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup, not more. In this outfit we don't need like more makeup and heavy makeup. I don't like it, but yeah, I'm gonna do it like natural look. So I'm gonna show you the earring first, then makeup. So I'm wearing this earring. It's look like perfect on this outfit, and I'm also wearing this nose pin. I don't know how it's looking, but I'm looking like older, but it's like pretty. I'll wear it for sometimes, and I will remove it. And this earrings like pearl one. It's like pretty one. I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll come back. Guys, done with the makeup, and this is how it looks. And I'm wearing this earring also, and the bindi, and I'm wearing the bangles. So this is the final look, guys. So I thought I'm gonna not gonna like do eye makeup, but I thought I'm gonna give the under my eyes here the blue color, navy blue. It's my dress color, so it matches my dress. Something matches my dress. That's my makeup, I mean eye makeup. And little bit of for glow, I just added a little bit of highlighter and a little bit of blush and lipstick. Eyebrow, I filled my eyebrows, that's it. And I didn't use any like foundation. I used only primer, CC cream, and for the setting I just used a spray. That's it.
ಸತ್ರಾಜಿತರಿಗೊಲ್ಲ ಬೇವೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸತ್ರಾಜಿತ ಪದಕು ತನ್ನ ಕಂಠದಿದ್ದ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಕೇಳುವನೆಂಬ ಭಯದಿಂದ ತನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮನಾದ ವಿಹಾರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಸೇರಿ ಹೊರಟನು. ಅಶ್ವವನ್ನೇರಿದ ಕಾಲ उपायाति सर्वांगी सुंदर उठे दुराती अति करते माला मुक्त पड़ाती देव देव
So guys, done with the lunch, and I took a little bit of pictures. I'll post it in my Instagram. If you're not following my Instagram handle is in the description. Go follow me. And now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take more pictures, and the weather is really awesome. I'm gonna take the clouds pictures. and little bit of chill, and I'll change this outfit into my PJs. It's my favorite kind of a dress, and it is really comfortable and is the best dress, I mean best outfit in the world. It has to get an Oscar for that. Any further ado, I'm gonna go after the dress change, outfit change, I was wearing this, and you can see it's really wet because I was washing vessels and cleaning everything is over. Now I'm gonna, like, we are getting making everything ready for the Ganesh Visarjan. So now we are like, I'm gonna wear a sari. My mom said wear a sari. We'll take a pictures, everything. So my dad will also get ready, and my brother. Um, so I'm gonna show you which sari I'm gonna wear it. So yeah. As this is the sari, actually, just like a net kind of a sari. I don't like this sari, but I thought I'm gonna stitch this into gown. So my mom said today, please wear it. This is new actually, sari. I don't know when did you we buy, or someone gifted us. I don't know, but this is the sari. Um, this is a sari actually, and I'm gonna wear it's sari, and I will meet you after that.
ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಅಕ್ಕಿಕಾಳಿಂದು ಇಟ್ಕೋ ನನ್ನ ಚಾಮರಂ ನೃತ್ಯಂ ಸಮರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ ಗೀತಂ ಪಾದ್ಯಂ ಸಮರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ ಅಂದೋಳಿಕಂ ಸಮರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ ಗೀತಂ ಸಮರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ ते महे उपप्रयन्तु मरुतः सदा नव इन्द्रप्राशुर्भावसा मंगलमूर्ति मोरया मोरया 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 कोटोड़ी ऑफ मार. So guys, done with Visarjan, and everything over, and I had a photo shoot session with my family, clicking pictures, everything over, and I had my dinner also, and I just done a little bit of skincare which I do in the night. Yeah, the moisturizer, lip balm, etc. So now I'm gonna go to bed. So if you're hearing any disturbance, it's a TV disturbance, so I'm sorry for that. You have to bear it. So yeah, if I'm not visible, like blur, bear that also, because we had that, what you wanna say, that is like dhupa. So I'm gonna go to bed now. So this is the end of the vlog. If you like this vlog, please to like, share, and comment down below which part you liked it, and also subscribe to get notified. So I'm gonna go. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.